Hello, my name is SpirosK and I would like to share a Photoshop tip on how to use generative AI more efficiently. So here's my first tip. When we go to generative AI in Photoshop, now we have 6 models to choose from at this moment, which is the turn of year 2025 to 2026. 2 are Firefly models, which are commercially safe, and as Adobe says, because it's their own model. So I don't know whether they still have Firefly 1. It's not that good. 3 is extremely good and it's great for creating objects and for doing generative fill. But if you want to expand your image, like change specific stuff, create backgrounds and things like that, you want to have a natural language approach. So you will use the LLM models, which are these, 2 Flux and 2 Gemini 3. So what I tend to do is that I create one with each of these. Granted, I don't do it so often nowadays, so I have the credits to afford it. I mean, I don't even run out each month. My Photoshop use is not that hard, but I guess every casual photographer won't use it that much. So after creating one with each one, I take the 2 best ones and I create one more with these. So in total I have 6 images at the end of this process, and I come here and I choose the best one. Please note that I'm using these specific things all the time, otherwise LLMs go out and create their own image. So one is don't change the model, and the other one is that what you create must be consistent with the colors on the model or the subject. It could be an animal or whatever. So I've picked the best 4. My original image was this one. So you see, as I asked, this one did not change here. Just this one also did not change here, and this one. This one changed here. It made her hair here split up some more, so more of her face, change the colors completely. Although it is a very nice image and I like it, I will keep one of these. Okay, I will go with this one. So at this point, where we have chosen the one we like most, some people will just post it on the internet like that. However, this is problematic because if you look at her, this is the original, this is the generated. You will notice that because the generated is lower quality, I mean this is a 20 megapixel image normally, and the generated usually is 1-2 megapixels. It's stretched out, so it's really blurry. So you miss all the details, the skin, the clothes, everything. You see how blurry everything is. So what I tend to do is that I press Rasterize here, right click, Rasterize, and then what I do is select subject. That will select the model, select modify, expand, and I usually expand by 10 or 11 pixels, and then I delete and fill. It doesn't matter that this is corrupted because the original model will be on top of it. Then I go to the last image, which is the merged of all the previous visible layers. I select the subject there, and I come here and I create the mask. So my original model with all its high level, quality is on the image. Now many times I don't like the background is kind of sharp. These generated backgrounds don't have good bokeh, or they don't have bokeh at all. So what I do is generate a second layer, remove the mask, and apply my filters on this. So I'll go for the iris blur, which I love it for creating bokeh. So I want up to here to be non-blurred, and we want a bokeh on the past. And I apply with control click, I recreate the mask and I reapply it. So now we have a much better bokeh background with high quality subject in it. Hope that was useful. Bye.